Hey guys, welcome back to Desi Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with BTCX Exchange Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com as usually and click on BTCX here in the latest airdrop section. So BTCX airdrop is 10 BXC tokens worth of $4.5 to each airdrop participants. To participate, sign up, log in and complete the KYC verification to receive 10 BXC tokens worth of $4.5. You can also invite your friends and earn 5 BXC tokens worth of $2.25 for each valid referral. So guys, there are 5 simple steps to complete the registration procedure for this airdrop. Let's know a little more about the BTX Exchange airdrop. So BTX is a Hong Kong's leading cryptocurrency exchange provider since October 2016. They provide a secure liquidity and a stable banking solution platform to allow users to trade safely and be able to quickly withdraw from the exchange. Along with the fastest execution on the platform, they offer you a secure USD and HKD, Hong Kong dollar, and cryptocurrency deposit and withdrawal. The advanced charting tools will help you make informed trades. Your funds and tokens are safe with them, and the deposits and the withdrawals are processed using the more secure channel available. So if you want to know more about this exchange, guys, just click here to go to the BTX exchange. Alright, so the simple steps are 5. Let's start with step number 1. Sign up at BTXX and verify your email address. Click here to sign up. So guys, I have already signed up. See, the sign up is really simple. What is that means, like you have to give your name, full name, and your email address and a password. I prefer you to go with suggested password. Now click on I agree and click sign up button. It's really simple, guys. So the moment you sign up, you have to go to your email address because you will get an email for the verification. So I have been successfully verified my email address. Similarly, you also verify your email address. Step number 2, log into the dashboard and complete the KYC. So the dashboard is here. Let's go to the account here in the dashboard. Can you see this is my user customer ID and my referral link. Here is the place where you need to submit your KYC document. So probably I'll be doing in some time, and once I finish my video. Step number 3, follow BTCX on Twitter. Click here to follow BTCX on the Twitter. Click here to follow. You can see I'm already following. So, and also follow and like on the Facebook page. Click here to go to the Facebook page of BTCX Exchange. You can see here I'm already following this Facebook page of BTCX. And now join the Telegram group. Click here to join the Telegram group of BTCX. So guys, this BTCX is a secure, trusted and liquid platform built by a team of veteran developers with a combined 45 years of experience in financial engineering. Alright, so this seems to be a very big exchange for the future. Now click on open in web to join the Telegram group. And guys, here also I have been joined successfully a few minutes back. So if you didn't join yet, please click on the join button and join. Now, step number 4, you can also invite your friends and earn 5 BXC tokens worth of $2.25 for each valid referral. So in the dashboard, here is where I have found my referral link. Similarly, you can also go to your dashboard, get your referral link and start inviting your friends and get many BXC tokens. Alright, so if you want to know more about this airdrop of BTX Exchange, go to the official announcement here, and they'll be mentioning all the details related to the exchange as well as the airdrop program. Alright, and then that's all, guys, about the registration procedure for BTX Exchange airdrop. If you like this airdrop, don't forget to offer and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.